When motherhood consumed me, I struggled. I forgot who I was. These words brought me peace. They helped me find myself again. She cares about nothing, so she's free. She began to love her life. She started to believe in herself. She stopped pleasing others endlessly. She began to heal her own soul. She accepted everything didn't go as planned. She embraced the impermanence of all things. She accepted all the partings in life. She now sees everything without fear. She started to refuse unkindness. She no longer fears being incomplete. She learned to lean into everything. She doesn't let others' words define her. She is moving toward a better self. She is growing braver every day. She is becoming more and more powerful. She will surely become my best self. And she is you right here. Subscribe to find peace. Meditation opens the door to calm. Embrace balance and clarity each day. Click the next video to begin your practice.